How to change hair color using the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called photo. Simply tap on it and select the picture that you would like to change your hair color in. After choosing your photo, many options will pop up on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the beautify option located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, scroll left until you see an option called hair. Then tap on it. Here you'll see an option called hair dye right next to hair volume. Tap on it and here you can choose any hair color that you want, and it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.